Hi friends, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel. So today I am showing you the unboxing of these lovely Brustro metallic gouache colors, and I am very excited to show you all these shades. I am trying it for first time and just unboxing it quickly so that we can see each and every color. In total you will get 18 shades in this box in the tube form, and these are gouache colors, so they should be very pigmented and opaque. So one by one I will share the swatch on black and white color cardstock. So here I have taken all the shades on plastic poly bag, and on this black and white cardstock I am going to share each shade. So the first shade is pearl white. First I am swatching it on black color and then white color, and in the similar way I will swatch each shade on both the cardstocks along with their names. So the swatching of all 18 shades are done, and I'm just loving the results so much. They are looking so vibrant and very pigmented on white and as well as on the black. And can you see the beautiful sheen on each shade? And tell me which shade you like the most. I like the purple one most. That is so pigmented. Now quickly I will share one quick bookmark using these metallic colors. So here I am taking brown color cardstock and quickly I will draw one leaf design using rich gold metallic shade. And then I am doing little shading inside each leaf using blue and pink color combination. So this is done, and can you see the beautiful shine inside this? So pretty. Now I'm just adding some splashes of rich gold color here and there. And at the end I'm just passing one gold color thread through the hole. I have created the hole using hole punch machine, and the beautiful shimmery bookmark is ready. Very shiny and very sheen. So that's all about my unboxing of Brustro metallic gouache color, and in future videos I will surely share some more ideas with you using same metallic gouache colors. Thanks for watching.